Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market alert for Wednesday, April 6th. It looks like U.S. stocks may resume their upward momentum when the market opens. The major equity indexes were little changed yesterday. Traders on Wall Street took a breather after the Dow Jones Industrial Average closed at its highest level in nearly 3 years on Monday. Investors also continue to pour into gold and other precious metals, searching for a safe haven amid European debt concerns and political instability across the Middle East and North Africa. Gold is now rising to around $1,460 an ounce after hitting a new record in Asian trading. Meanwhile, silver is at its highest level in more than 3 decades, following a 27% gain already this year. And oil prices are holding steady above $108 a barrel.
On the corporate front, we're keeping an eye on shares of Monsanto. The agricultural chemicals maker reported quarterly earnings and revenue roughly in line with expectations. Right now, the stock is losing about 0.5%. Meanwhile, shares of American Superconductor are tumbling more than 40%. After yesterday's closing bell, the company warned that its revenue for the current quarter and the full year will fall short of estimates. American Superconductor also said its earnings will be well below its previous forecasts, mainly because a Chinese wind turbine maker has refused to accept certain contracted shipments. Investors are also waiting on quarterly results from Bed Bath & Beyond and Immucor.
Last week, we told you about a hostile takeover battle in the pharmaceutical industry. That's when Canada's Valeant Pharmaceuticals decided to take a $5.7 billion bid for Cephalon to the company's shareholders, after several private approaches failed to start negotiations. Now, Cephalon has formally rejected Valeant's offer, saying it falls far short of the company's true value. Valeant responded by asking shareholders to unseat the Cephalon board and replace it with new directors nominated by Valeant. Shares of both stocks are likely to open lower on the news, but Collins Stewart raised its price target on Valeant stock.
Analyst actions may move several other stocks today. Broadcom is jumping more than 2% in the pre-market after Oppenheimer upgraded the chip maker to outperform. Investors may be speculating that the company will be the next buyout target, following Texas Instruments' $6.5 billion purchase of National Semiconductor yesterday. British financial firm Barclays is also solidly higher in U.S. trading, following an upgrade from Canaccord Genuity. And several analysts are weighing in on Abercrombie & Fitch, after a bullish outlook from the teen clothing retailer boosted its shares 9% yesterday. Oppenheimer, Breen Murray, Janney Montgomery Scott, and KeyBank Capital Markets all raised their price targets on the stock. That's the latest from Weiss Research. We'll be back after the opening bell with all the market reaction.